Hello, YouTubers. Took me a little trip to a big old warehouse called Costco. And on the shelf, I found this little gem. This is a Firman H07552 dual fuel portable generator. And I got this guy here for $699.99. So, for your viewing pleasure, we are going to do an unboxing. I'm going to show you what it all comes with. And quite possibly tomorrow, maybe not YouTube tomorrow, but tomorrow as in the 24th of February, 2019. I'll probably fire this thing up and do the break-in. So, see the box. It's actually packaged quite well. I've actually done a couple of reviews. I watched a couple of reviews on the Firman generator before I decided to make the purchase. And those that have bought this were very pleased. On gasoline, it's got 9,400 peak watts, 7,500 running watts, and on propane, this thing runs on propane too, 8,450 peak watts and 6,750 running watts. Has 439 cc gasoline engine, or gasoline and propane engine, 8-gallon gas tank. Run up to 12.5 hours at 50% power on a full tank of gas. Comes with a digital readout, fuel switch, and it's got several plugs there, including a 50 amp at 220 or 240, excuse me. This one, unlike the Harbor Freight job, this one comes with the wheel kit. It comes with the regulator hose and a handle. It actually comes with some oils, at least that's what it's saying. Comes with a little toolkit and a funnel, and it has a battery included. And it says also that it comes with a cover. For $700, seems like a pretty good deal. So I'm going to have the boy here open it up. Yeah, first you're going to have to cut the ties. Alright, now we're going to cut shallow right here down the middle. I'll give him a little hand here. Alrighty. Don't put that away right yet, because I'm probably going to need it. Alright, so at first glance, as you can see up here, you got the cover. So go ahead and set that aside for now. Yeah, let's see, what does that say? Quick reference guide. So we'll take a quick look at that here in a little bit. You have a big, humongous moisture absorbent, so that can be thrown away. Well, it looks like it's got its own fuel gauge. Check that out. Pretty neat. Okay, cap. First glance has its own filter. Alrighty. Alright. You think you can pull that out?
Standing with this.
Okay. Okay, get the utility knife. What we're going to do, I'll show you, is we're going to go ahead and we're going to try not to have it so deep like that. And we're just going to cut. Going to cut all four corners. Be very careful. Sorry about the footage. Sorry about the shaking, folks. This is my cell phone. this has this side over here. I'll come back when we got it open. Alrighty. Alrighty then. So, go ahead and tear this all down. Okay. So, got the back side of it. Go ahead and pick that accessory kit up. Set it on top. So, come on. See what kind of goodies we got in here.
That's a wheels.
All right, okay, here we go. This is the propane regulator kit.
It comes with its funnel.
Comes with a nice big thick hose.
Nice funnel.
Got our own little funnel here for putting the oil in. Okay, we got various hardware here. Looks like I got some rubber stoppers. That's probably for one side of the cart. Put that down. Don't right know what that is yet, so probably something. Probably just a mount that goes underneath the. We have. Go ahead and open that.
I think it's like oil or something.
All right, we got a quart of. I get it to focus. There we go. Got a quart of Firman brand 10W30 engine oil. Comes with its own oil, but I'm not going to be using Firman brand oil. I am, however, going to break this thing in properly. I'm going to use Royal Purple engine break-in oil. This has a mineral oil base, has zinc and phosphorus included. I will run the engine for 4 to 5 hours with this in it, get everything all nice and get the ring set and everything else. And once I'm done breaking it in with this, I'm going to use Royal Purple HPS 10W30 full synthetic. So this is what I'm going to be running in this generator. Okay, you got the wheels.
I think this is the construction manual.
Construction manual.
And then you got like
In-
pipes that goes through the wheels and they go into there.
Okay. Go ahead and open that up. Gonna open that up. So, let's go ahead and pull that little yellow bag out. Okay, this.
Those are like a ring.
Let's see what we got here. Okay, here, watch this. Whoops. If I can get the goofy thing out. I might wind up changing the plug on this too. I don't know what kind of spark plug it has, but if it's got an El Cheapo torch plug, I'm going to put an NGK in it. So you got just a spark plug wrench. You know, this little guy goes in here. And that's how you get the plug out. I have my own sockets, and then you just got a couple chintzy little, looks like you got a 10 and a 12, two 10, 12 millimeter wrenches. I don't know why it sent me two. Maybe it meant to only send me one, but it sent me two. That's alright, hey, you know, a couple just El Cheapy wrenches. And you got these big wheels here. So, we'll go ahead and get this box out of the way. Have my son remove the box. Let's have a look at the front of the engine. Bump the exposure up a little bit. 439 cc. See right here is can't really see it. The light's not all that great. You got your propane conversion. This little hose right here goes down to the carbonator. There's your choke. That's your run. So you got that. I'm not going to go into taking the air cleaner off. Over here, the battery's already installed. Just got to hook the ground up.
You good now?
Oh, there we go. Attaboy. Brought some light in here. Right here is where you hook up your propane. You got the switch. I haven't gotten, I'll probably go into a little bit deeper depth of this, but this, I'm guessing it has its own fuel shutoff valve. So if you want to run it on gas, you go ahead and switch it over to there. If you want to run it on propane, switch it over to there. So that's your starter switch. Oh, let's see. Got your 50 amp plug, 240 volts. And you got a 30 amp for 220, 240. Got another 30 amp for 110. And of course you have a standard GFI 20 amp 110 outlet. Each of them has its own circuit breaker. Looks like the 50 ampere has dual circuit breakers. You got your ground screw, of course. You got your little digital readout. That's not that. I guess that only comes on when it's running. And of course, you have a 20 amp hour, 15 amp hour battery. And that's where you put your oil in. So let's go around to the other side. Got to look at the top. Got a little dial fuel gauge there. Try and light on that way. Yeah, you can see a little red dial there. This is empty, full. That's pretty sweet. Fuel gauge. And got your spark arrestor on your exhaust. Pretty big muffler there. And the back of the generator. So there you have it. Well, let's go ahead and get the wheels put on this thing. And we will come right back. All right, folks, I got the generator up on its side. There's no oil in it or anything, so it's not going to hurt nothing. So what we're going to do is right here. Right here is where these bolts go to put on the put the wheel on. So I'm going to go ahead and hand the camera to my son, and he's going to go ahead and film me doing it. All right. Can you see me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, take the cotter pin off. Very simple. Try not to drop the other one. Put it in like so. We'll go ahead and got that put in there. We're going to put a washer in. And we'll slide in the cotter pin. Just like that. And my son will grab the other one that I dropped, and I will go ahead and do the other side. So right there. There, the wheels are installed, folks. That's simple. Now I'm going to flip it over on the other side, and we'll see what else I got to do. Go ahead and pause it.